Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, we are going to look at the Depop app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. Depop is a social shopping app where you can buy and sell fashion items like clothes, shoes, accessories and even vintage or handmade pieces. Think of it as a mix of between Instagram and eBay. You can follow sellers, browse unique styles and create your own shop. To get started, you need to download your app if you haven't, so go to the App Store, then search Depop on your search bar at the top of your page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Sign up with the email, phone or social account, create your profile, add your profile picture, bio and link if you want. This will help buyers trust you and make your shop look more professional. Once you're in, the home feed shows trending items and sellers. This is the home page, so you can scroll down, scroll to discover clothing, shoes and accessories. Then use the search bar right at the top of your page to find specific brands, styles or categories. You can filter by size, price or condition to narrow down results. When you find something you like, tap the item to see more details, photos and the seller's description. Check the reviews and sellers' ratings for trust. Hit buy now to purchase directly or tap make offer if you want to negotiate. Pay securely through the app using PayPal or your preferred method. Now to sell your own items, tap the plus button right here at the bottom of your page in the middle. Tap on that. Upload a clear photos of your item. Write a detailed description including brand, size, condition and price. Choose your shipping method and set the price. Publish your listing and it will appear in the marketplace for buyers to discover. On your profile tab right here at the bottom of your page, you can track your listings and sales, see items you've liked or saved, follow other sellers for fashion inspiration. Depop is also social, so interacting with others help grow your shop, and that is how you can use the Depop app step by step. It is an amazing platform if you love thrifting, selling old clothes or finding unique fashion pieces. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down. Thank you for watching. Bye.